In today's video, we're talking about YouTube Shorts. What are they? How do you create them? Are they monetizable? Should you create a separate channel for your YouTube Shorts? I'm going to answer all those questions in this video, so keep on watching. Hi, my name is Sarah and welcome back to the Unchained CEO YouTube channel, where we post weekly videos about business, personal development, and motivation to help you grow and strive in life. So if you are interested in that kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our content. Today we are talking about YouTube Shorts. This is a new feature that YouTube has released for us creators. A few months ago, when TikTok was basically banned in India, YouTube saw an opportunity and created Shorts as, I guess, like a rival towards TikTok, and it was launched in India as a beta test, like a version of it, just to see how creators would react to it. Would they be interested in it? So in a nutshell, YouTube Shorts are 60-second or less videos that are shot in vertical mode using your mobile device or whatever, and you get to upload them like you would a regular video, except like I said, they have to be 60 seconds or less. And a way to get the algorithm to recognize that it is a YouTube short, YouTube just says to put the hashtag shorts into either your title or your description. However, I have been doing some research on YouTube Shorts for the last couple of weeks and testing it out, and a lot of creators have said that they're not noticing traffic to their shorts coming from that particular hashtag, but it doesn't hurt to put it in there just so that YouTube can recognize that your video is a short, even though YouTube algorithm is smart enough to recognize that if the video is 60 seconds or less, then you're good to go. It will be shown in that shorts section. So I'm now going to show you how to create a short, as well as where do you even find these shorts, like in your feed? How do they even appear to you as an end user? Let me first show you how to create a YouTube short. So first off, go into your camera, and I'm just literally gonna make something super quick so that it's easy. Say that I just want to record my screen, or you could do a selfie mode and flip the screen. You just press record. Remember, you have to make sure that it's 60 seconds or less, so it shouldn't go over that 60-second mark. So just record this for like 10 seconds. Boom. So now we have the recording. Now, a really cool way to create shorts on your phone and like add details and things, if you want to, it's totally up to you, is by using a tool called InShot. So this is just an example of something that I created today. I literally just recorded this when I woke up this morning from my window. It was so beautiful, and I just added a quote to it, and I created it in InShot. So you could do that. I've already saved this. So in InShot, you have three options. You just go to the video option. You choose the recording that you just did, which is this one. And then here we go. Now, record. Remember, you have to make sure that it's boom. You have your recording. You can add text to it. Hey. Honestly, I'm just trying to show you guys what you could do with it. Anyways, from InShot, you could actually also add music too, which is a really great feature, and you don't have to worry about copyright because it asks you to copy something so that, sorry, let me show you. It asks you to copy the creator's music. Okay, so you have a video. Let's say that you don't add any music. If you want to get rid of the volume on your video, you can do that here as well. Okay, so now we have our recording. So you're going to go into YouTube. You're going to go to your channel, or you don't even have to go to your channel. You can just go to the top corner here where it has the little upload icon, and you can upload.
You choose what you're going to upload, and you can put in a title. Hey. Remember to put hashtag shorts either in the title, or you can put it in the description. This is also where, like, if you had used any music, you could put it in here too. I would just advise you, no matter what, like, unless the track is non-copyright, like completely, I would just advise you to never use more than 10 seconds of it, because I think that's the best way. So you can preview your video. Remember, you have to good to go. You don't have to add it to any playlist. I'm leaving it on private right now so that this doesn't show up, since it is a test. But there's your video. Obviously in YouTube you can add like filters and stuff like that, but we're just gonna leave it. Click on next, select your parameters. If it's not for kids, don't restrict, and then you're basically just gonna upload. Now this will take a few seconds. I literally had just done this a second ago. And if you guys want to see a dedicated video on how I create YouTube shorts from my longer form videos, and not promo, actual value or motivation videos from pieces of my longer form content, then comment below, because I can show you how to do that from your phone with a free software called InShot, like I just showed you a while ago. And you could just create a bunch of YouTube shorts that you could use moving forward. So that's literally how it is, and when you go to check it out, this is what it will look like. Remember, you have to make sure that it's 60 seconds or less, so it shouldn't go over that 60-second mark. I'm going to show you a really quick way to get more views and more subs to your YouTube shorts. And I learned this through a video that I watched on the vidIQ YouTube channel, so thanks and shout out to vidIQ. And I thought this was ingenious. The only problem is you have to do it through your desktop. You can't do it through mobile. I'm going to show you here what I mean. So when I go to my channel, I'm going to show you how to put your short videos right here. You see how just below my featured video are my shorts? I'm going to show you how to get them there. There's actually a feature, so it'll be between your featured video and your playlist, so that when people come to your channel, they will see it and they'll be more inclined to click on it. So let's head over to the laptop.
All right, now that I've showed you how to create a short and how to get more views and subscribers from your shorts, that little tip, let's talk about some of the burning questions that a lot of creators are asking. So the first one is, are shorts monetizable? The answer to that question at the moment is no.
Wait, that might not be entirely accurate. Shortly after I filmed this video, I decided to check my analytics on the very first YouTube shorts that I've ever created. It's 22 seconds, and here are the results so far. Now, I don't know, but that looks like money to me. Now, it may not be a lot, but the fact that I've made 3 cents from this video, and so far everything I've read up until this point had said that you can't monetize YouTube shorts, so maybe YouTube has changed something since the last time I did the research. Also, these are my views, and you'll notice that I posted this on November 4th, and it kind of was just getting a little bit of views here, there, each day, kind of plateaued. But then when it got to about the 3rd day, that's when everything just started going up, 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 up for a good 2 days or so, and now it's like going steady on the same path it started on. So I don't know what to say, guys. I've gotten lots of views from this video, and if you look over here 81.5% of the views are coming from shorts. And when I did the research before this shorts was a traffic source, other YouTubers had said that you'll know if you're getting traffic from your shorts shelf, basically, if you see that the views are coming from the direct or unknown traffic sources. But now it looks like shorts is an option. I'm here in Canada, so I don't know if they're pushing it out in Canada a little bit more. But yeah, 81.5% of all the views, shorts. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. I'm also planning on obviously doing more shorts to test this out, but I plan on posting my progress, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll know when that video comes out.
Next question, do the views and the subs that you gain from your short style videos, are they counted towards monetization? I know a lot of us smaller creators, we are trying to grow our channels. We're trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. So a lot of smaller creators especially are trying to utilize shorts in order to boost up that momentum so they can get those numbers up. But here's the thing, the views that you get from your shorts do not count towards monetization, okay? So if you aren't already monetized, those views are not going to count towards your 4,000 watch hours. I know, it sucks. However, the subs that you gain from your YouTube shorts do, however, count towards your 1,000 subscribers. So don't lose hope, it's still a great strategy to use anyway. Now, if your channel is already monetized, the views that you get from short, they will count towards your overall views on your channel. Now, another question a lot of creators have been asking is, should I create a separate channel for YouTube Shorts? If you look at a lot of the big creators right now, such as Mr. Beast, they have created separate channels called their main channel name plus short beside it. And that's where they house all of their shorts, right? Now, there's different ways to look at this. When you're an established channel like that and you're pumping out content every day or a couple times a day, you have to remember that your audience gets, not all of them, but some of them get notifications for all of your videos. So if you know that your audience wouldn't appreciate all of these bombarded notifications about your videos, then maybe you could start a separate channel for your short videos. If you're not using shorts to gain more subscribers or maybe more views onto your channel, then this could be an opportunity for you. If you're just using shorts because you want to test out this new feature, and yes, it could lead to more subscribers towards your main channel, then creating a separate channel could be an option for you. But it's important to recognize your audience. So you know your audience because they've been following you and engaging in your content. So you have to check and see what would work for them. For example, I'm using YouTube Shorts as a way to monetize, or I should say, get towards my goals for this channel, because at the moment I'm just under 900 subscribers and I'm trying to get to 1,000. And because I know that the subscribers from shorts does count towards that 1,000 threshold that you need, then that would be a great way for me to bring more exposure to my channel. Obviously the views won't count towards it, but I'm more so looking at it from a subscriber standpoint. People who wouldn't normally get a chance to see my content because maybe they just haven't found me or they're not interested in the longer stuff because they don't know who I am yet, they can get a taste of what I have to offer on my main channel. And what I will say is, a lot of people have said that YouTube Shorts shouldn't be used as a promotion tool to get people to go to your main channel. So you shouldn't think about creating a promo 60-second, 30-second, 15-second video for a video for YouTube Shorts, because you have to look at YouTube Shorts similar to TikTok. People go on TikTok because they want to be entertained, they want to be inspired, they want to be educated. So you have to find a way to do one of those 3 things within that 60 seconds. Don't use YouTube Shorts as a way to just try to promote a video or promote your main channel, because the people that are watching YouTube Shorts aren't looking for commercials, because that's literally what you're doing. They're looking for entertainment and value. So make sure you're looking at it from that standpoint. So leading into that, if your shorts are providing that, then it might be a great tool for your current subscriber base, because they'd like to see those shorter form videos when they don't have the time to watch your longer videos. Keep in mind though, if you're planning on doing multiple shorts every day, every week, it might be a lot for your subscribers, so you might just have to see how it goes. I've decided that because I'm using YouTube Shorts as a growth tool, that I am not going to create a separate channel. If you like this video and you're interested in more great YouTube related tips to grow your channel and grow your subscribers and grow your views, or just stay consistent on the platform, check out these videos here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.